So we will start with the total syllabus of CBSE accountancy in this year. So as you know, must be you are aware, 80 marks would be the practical and the 20 marks would be the project related. In project, 12 marks the project would be given, and then viva for 4 marks, the project for 4 marks. Now there is, from last year, current year, there is changes. Okay, do you know what was the
Yes,
changes? Yeah, so could you tell
they
me what?
cancelled 2 chapters in the green book and 1 chapter from the blue book.
Okay, so 2 chapter in overall, if I can see, there is lots of addition has been done in partnership. Okay, but as a overall 1 chapter total, it does not. Like earlier it used to be non-profit organization, 10 marks chapter. Now it is no more. Okay, so like if I go the book wise or the means chapter wise, it would be like this: 36 mark for partnership firm. So partnership firm is a total your blue book, correct? Lots of concept. So one of this book, it cover around 36 mark. Okay, then 24 marks it will come accountancy for companies, then 20 marks analysis of the financial statement and cash flow statement of 8 marks. It's a overall the idea of how your marking or how the subject will come. So in partnership firm, 36 mark, but there is lot of concept. Okay, and very much weightage of it in overall, correct? How they are suggesting the marks. Okay, so the suggested question will come from your understanding, 44 marks in between of 80 marks total question. So understanding, it means it would be very simple kind of question, okay, which everyone can solve it. So overall percentage, it would be 55%. Okay, then applying the knowledge, okay, like average kind of question. Okay, that would be 19 marks. So 23% is around 24% you can take. Then analysis and evaluating of creating. So difficult question you can think, it would be up to 17 marks, not more than that. So even though if you try to cover, see in this, we can cover if the concept and everything clears at least 90% if you want, and if we do together whatever we need to do. Okay, so we would be able to cover it up. What do you think? What is, how much percentage you are expecting? What do you expect from your side?
For accountancy, I want around 85-90%.
See, accountancy, one of the subject where you can get 100%. So what is overall percentage you are looking for the in 12th?
Yeah, ma'am, 85-90%.
Okay, so if you think for 90 or 95, you will get 80. Okay, so always keep more percentage and try to keep that balance. See, you can't tell, if you suppose you are saying someone, okay, I will try to get 90%, they will expect from you 90%. In for that 90%, you have to work up to 95%, then only you can get 90%. Okay, so whatever you are saying, you should be keep extra 5% for yourself. Okay, is it fine? So we will move, this is not chapter 2, now it is chapter 1. We'll go with the partnership fundamental. Okay, so see, in class 11th, mostly you have learned about the sole proprietor, where only one individual people work it, correct? And for his, how he's working, what would be the profit, how the losses, how it looks, the balance sheet we discuss. Now because it's a class 12, we means you grown up, correct? So we are dealing with partnership firm where more than one person will work. So could you tell me, what do you understand about partnership or partnership chapter?
Partnership is like you're doing it with someone, you know, or it's one Two people or more than two people will take part in partnership firm.
Two or more people. Maximum, how many people do you
And
have
the
any other idea?
maximum is 50.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then
That is
if
right. That
there
is correct.
yeah,
Go on. What you are telling? Go on.
if two people can run partnership on the form of partnership deed, or
Mm-hmm.
even without partnership deed.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Very right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will discuss all about it. Okay, so what I suggest, you should maintain two, at least two register. Okay, one register where we will do concept plus few question related to that, and then one would be the practice register where you need to solve the question with the number, the page number of your book you need to write and to solve the question. Because what happened, the concept register very important, you won't be able to see all the concept before the exam, correct? So while clearing the exam or while revising the exam, we need the concept register, whereas practice register would be only for practicing, and there would be one or two rough register whenever the exam is happening. You don't practice on practice register, use the rough copy for that. Okay, so the concept register and practice register, each and every question to be solved in that. Firstly, concept register with few question only. Practice register, all a detail, means each and every question to be solved in practice register. Okay, while exam you need to follow the concept register, you won't be able to solve each and every question. Okay, and I prefer 2 to 3 color of pen. Scale should be with you handy always. Okay, so are you following something like that, or do you follow something different?
I'm only blue pen or black pen, and then pencil and scale.
Okay, so you can use even the red, green, whatever color you like. Why I'm
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
that? Because if you writing properly, your notes is proper, you will like to read it. Otherwise, if it is not presentable, you don't like to read it. Okay, so we will go with the meaning of partnership. Okay, so meaning of partnership, you have only told me where two or more person join a hand and set up a business, share the profit and losses. All the term is important. What they are doing, business they are doing, share profit or loss. If business is growing, it will do, there would be the profit. If not growing, there could be the chances of losses. And we say that partnership. So partnership, there is act for it. See, if you are staying where, whichever country you are staying, you need to follow the rule and regulation. Okay, so it's silent feature of it. If you are staying in India, you need to follow Indian government rules. If you are not following it, the government can take action against you anytime. So it is implied. So whenever come, there is partnership and you are saying okay, it is partnership, then they should follow the Indian Partnership Act of 1932. Okay, so you can't say that okay, you are working as a partnership firm and you are not following the act. It's not possible. If you are doing that, you are doing against the country, you are not following, so they can take any action against you. Okay, so which act it is? If for the Partnership Act, we need to learn the Indian Partnership Act of 1932. Okay, and what it says, so share the profit of the business carried on by or the acting for the all. What is carrying by all or acting for all? Any idea?
According to Indian Partnership Act, now.
No, yeah, Indian Partnership or general, whatever you know.
Yeah.
It's not required. So it could be few feature you would be learning by this session. We will understand it. So what it says, I'm just giving you idea, your video gone off. So what I'm trying to say here, the all the partner person who have agreed to share the profit of business carried on by all or any of them. Okay, suppose you and your 3 friends. So how many friends? Your 3, suppose 2 friends started a partnership firm. Okay, so for the partner, I'm saying one is Avani. Could you tell me your friend name?
Lakshmi.
Okay, Lakshmi.
Uh,
Okay,
Devika.
I'm giving who's?
Devika.
Devika. Okay, so Lakshmi and Devika. So you 3 have started a firm. Now we say all 3 as a partner. Okay, what we say? The partner. So Avani, if anyone is telling about Avani, Lakshmi or Devi, they would be the partner. But if anyone need to talk about your firm, we say the partnership firm. What happened? It could be possible one day you are out of the station or you are not able to work for the firm. So you are saying, okay, Lakshmi and Devi, could you please take care of my things, whatever your responsibility. So on that day, you are not working, but your friend can work on your behalf, correct? So this is the partnership, how it works. They can't tell you, okay, no, Avani, if even though you are not well, you need to work. It's not possible. In partnership, it means sometimes one person also would work for behalf of other person. Okay, is it clear what I'm trying to say here? The partnership relation between a person who agree to share profit and business, that is different time, by all. It could be all 3 are working. It could be possible only one person is acting as a
partner.
Not means all 3 are working, means 100% working.
Keeping partner, he will be. Yeah.
Okay, so person who have entered partnership one another are individually called partners, which we have discussed, and collectively called as a firm. Okay, there would be given the firm name. This is very important. Do you know the feature of partnership? Any idea about it?
Feature of partnership, ma'am, that is working together, sharing profits and losses.
Like it's very important. Okay, sharing profit and losses, correct. So we will start with, we will see one by one. Okay, I will tell you to write wherever. So feature you can write. It's very important, very important. Sometimes lots of question always come in MCQs. Very important. So you need to write few things. Okay, features of partnership. So 2 or more partner can work. So minimum how many person required? 2 person. And maximum you have already told me 50%. So where it is written? It is written under the Company Act 2014. Earlier in 2013, it was 100 partner allowed. Then they have cancelled it and they have reduced to 50 partner. Okay, so this is one of the important feature. They can ask you in multiple.
I am not able to hear you clearly. That's why I just close the video.
Okay, now am I audible for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I was mentioning the feature of partnership.
Yeah.
Okay, so first feature, it's very important. You need to know about it very clearly. First feature is how many partner required. So at least in a partnership firm, 2 partner, minimum 2 partner required, and maximum it could be 50 partner, which you have already told me. From where we are getting the maximum partnership partner numbers? Into the Company Act 2014. Earlier it was given 100 partner could be, but they have cancelled after a year. In 2013 they have mentioned 100 partner, but it cancelled by, and they reduced to 50 partner. Okay, hello Avani, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so what do you think? Agreement is important, or the partner could be happen orally? Partnership could be done.
I think orally. Agreement is important.
Agreement is important, but is it possible orally also they can become partner and they can do the work? What do you think?
They can, ma'am, but over a period of time, agreement should have been built.
Okay, so correct means what I'm trying to say, orally also it could be partnership could be done, but always best if there is written agreement. Correct? Or written deed
Yes,
would
ma'am.
be there. Why it is
Yes,
important? Because if you three people are working as a partner, it could be possible in future there is any dispute. So by what is written into the deed, you can agree on that. But if suppose you are agree and started working orally, no one can prove their self. So always better to be agreement, but orally also partner can work on it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So agreement can be oral or written.
Written, yeah.
Okay. It could be both, but always better written agreement. Okay. When
Yeah.
partnership agreement is in writing, document contain the term of agreement called partnership deed. Okay. So whatever it is writing, we say it partnership deed. And there are few features. What is another name of partnership deed? Any idea?
Partnership deeds other name.
Synonym.
Yes, ma'am.
Synonym.
I don't remember, ma'am.
Partnership agreement, we can say, at least.
Yeah, not partnership agreement. It is another name, no, ma'am.
But it could be why not the partnership agreement?
Yeah, partnership deed, partnership agreement. Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's the same thing we are discussing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we will discuss. So there is few feature in agreement. It means partnership deed. What all details? So there would be all the detail about the partner. Okay. So name, address of the firm, main business means where they are doing the business. Okay. Where the firm, name and address of all partners. Okay. Amount introduced, the capital introduced, how much money they are bringing with the company, means firm. Okay, that would be written. The date of the commencement, the bank account, profit loss sharing ratio, very important, profit loss sharing ratio, rate of interest, capital loan drawing. So we will discuss what is the rate of interest, capital loan drawing, how it work, mode of auditor appointments, auditor appointment, how, if whether they are giving any salary to any partner or not, there is any commission or not. So lots of detail come under the partnership deed. Correct? Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the detail mostly come. It's better to keep all these detail in your agreement. If these detail won't be there, suppose there is no profit loss sharing ratio, what we will do? We go back to act and then we follow the act. We will see it also how we will do it. Okay. Is it fine up to here, or is it you are finding boring?
It's fine, ma'am.
I prefer you to be always on video. Okay. Otherwise, because I can see you earlier, you are going to sleep. Okay. So please prefer to come on video.
No, I'm not sleeping now.
Okay. Now I will ask question, so you will never
See me
feel.
now, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see you. Okay. So lawful business should be done. Okay.
Yeah.
Not illegal business. Okay. Means lawful, whatever law is saying, you can do any business. What do you think? So you and friend purchase a property. Okay. You purchase, suppose, a property, a land, and then you and your friend have paid 50 for 50% of amount, whether it is partnership or not. What do you think? Yes or no? Only you are on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
It is partnership.
It is like not partnership. We're not starting a business. We're buying, right, ma'am?
Yeah, you are buying asset. You can think you are buying the land, and where what means 50% your share, 50% of your friend share.
It will be a a partnership if we're using it together for a business or something. Otherwise, it's not partnership, right?
Yeah. So partnership, if you go into the definition of the partnership, what it says, there would be the business. Two or more person join hand to set up a business and share the profit and loss. So here you are buying a asset, correct? You are not doing any business. By buying asset, we are not starting the business. So in this case, there is no business. So it is not a partnership. Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Is it clear, logical or not?
Yes,
First of
ma'am.
all, if so logic should be clear, whatever we are going to discuss. If it is clear, we can go ahead. If not clear, we need to discuss it up. Okay.